Numbers are out and home prices are down more than 4% year over year. My next guest says it's actually a great buying opportunity, especially in 5 areas. Where are they? With us now, Dani Babb, the author of Finding Foreclosures. So, Danielle, you're big into real estate. You're a real estate person. Naturally, you're going to say it's a buying opportunity, but why is this time different?
Well, I think for the next year, we're going to see prices start to stabilize just a little bit in some areas. I like certain areas because we know that boomers will be moving there, or we know that job growth is stable. So I'm really being careful about the areas that I'm personally looking in to invest.
Okay, let's whip through them, shall we? Irvine, California. Okay. What's the deal there?
Well, Irvine's had very stable job growth and has been relatively unscathed by the foreclosure problem.
Okay, now with Las Vegas.
Las Vegas is going to be, in my opinion, a very hot area in the next couple of years as we see more boomers start to retire. All of the Sunbelt states are going to be hot. Now, they've had substantially lower prices in the last year, so we do have some risk that that will continue, and they do have a high foreclosure rate. But I am keeping a close eye on them for investment opportunities in the next 12 months.
Okay, San Diego.
San Diego, they have been hit pretty hard by the foreclosure market also, but we are starting to now see prices level off in most major areas and suburbs around San Diego and in San Diego County, and their job growth has remained stable and actually grown a little bit, particularly in the technology sector. Okay,
so when we see a home price then and now, it's what the market was bearing then versus now, right?
Right,
okay,
exactly. What the average selling price was.
I got you. So to Minneapolis right now, this one intrigued me. Explain.
Yeah, Minneapolis has seen modest growth. They haven't been hit extraordinarily hard by the price decrease. They've pretty much maintained national average. Home prices in Minneapolis were never extraordinarily high, as you can see, from the sample that we have. This is a pretty large home for a low price.
Yeah, but this is 6 bedrooms in a 1,900 square foot home. These bedrooms have to be like for kittens. What's the
actually,
the deal?
It's actually, I saw the layout online. It's actually not that bad. It has a smaller kitchen. It's just designed for families.
Yeah, so the bedrooms are not really tiny?
No, you can fit more than just a cat in the bedroom.
Okay, now I want to go to Charlotte. That's a big market for you. Why? Because that's been beaten down.
Yeah. Well, actually, the Carolinas, in the last report that I read over the weekend, the Carolinas and Texas have been solid investments, even with the foreclosure crisis in some areas. And I like these particular states, as well as Virginia, actually, because they haven't been hit, particularly in Charlotte, by massive amounts of foreclosures. A lot of multifamily homes were, because they were investor purchased, but single-family homes owned by individuals were not that badly hit in Charlotte. And once again, you can get a great deal. You can even get, in the Carolinas, some nice beachfront property, and it's a good deal right now.
All right. Danielle Babb, we'll see what happens. Thank you, Danielle. Great seeing you again.
Yep. You too.
All right, well, it's no American Idol, but 25 big